Activity list, I've got the Power 1, due Thursday, November 29th. First activity is required 3 times for 20 minutes. Read to self and practice your power goal. Write, I read an informational text titled, write the title of the text you read, and write the main topic of my book was. On this line, write what the main topic of your book was. Check each time you read. The next section is writing. We are looking at informational writing. The first activity is required for 20 minutes. It is practice. Read or scan the QR code and listen to Electricity at Home. Then create an informational Foursquare plan explaining what uses electricity in your home. Next is required 15 minutes. It is practice. Using your Foursquare plan, write an informational draft. The next is required for 10 minutes. It is practice. Edit and score your writing using the CUPS rubric in the resource area. The next activity, have a partner score your writing using the CUPS rubric in the resource area. This is required for 10 minutes. It is practice. The next section is reading comprehension. It is required. Set your timer for 20 minutes. It is practice. Read Wind Power with your assigned partner. Then complete the sheet using the information from the partner play. Remember to write your partner's name. The next section is foundational skills on 3-letter blends. Green readers segment and blend match. Blue readers read the sentence, then highlight 3-letter blends. Red readers, SCH and SQU read and comprehension pages. White readers, word ladder. This is required. Set your timer for 20 minutes. This is practice. The next section is required for 5 minutes. It is practice. Scan the QR code to review the tricky words on your level. The next section is social studies. You have a choice. This is 5 minutes and it is learning. Scan the QR code and listen to the text, what are goods and services? Or read what are goods and services in the resource area. You can do this independent or with a pair. Required for 10 minutes, this is practice. Complete the goods and services activity in the resource area, independent or with a pair. The next section is your scientist notebook on sun energy. This is required for 20 minutes. It is your learning. Using a computer, complete the Science Fusion digital lesson. Unit 6, Lesson 1, How do we use energy? Go to the CWTES website. Students, 2nd grade, Unit 6, Lesson 1, first dark purple box. Then complete the note-taking guide from the resource area. That's to be done independently. Required for 10 minutes. This is learning. Brain Pop Junior video, heat. Science, energy, heat. This is a choice for 15 minutes and it is practice. Take the Brain Pop Junior paper quiz for heat in the resource area independently or complete the what makes heat activity in the resource area. This is for your scientist notebook on push and pull. This is required for 20 minutes. It is learning. Brain Pop Junior, push and pull, science, forces, push and pull. Choice, 20 minutes, practice. Then take the Brain Pop Junior pushes and pull paper quiz in the resource area independently or push and pull, then diagram. This next is optional. Set your timer for 20 minutes. It is learning. Read the clean energy article in the resource area or scan the QR code and listen to clean energy article. Then answer the clean energy questions in the resource area. Scientist notebook, magnets and gravity section. Required 20 minutes for learning. Read Mighty Magnets and complete the bottom, or scan the QR code to listen to Mighty Magnets and complete the bottom. That is all for this activity list. Stay focused and work hard.